Hello, my dear respected teachers and my lovely audience. Hope you are doing well. I'm starting in the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and merciful. At the very beginning of my speech, please take my cordial love and salam. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to thank my honorable teacher, Mr. Saddam sir, for giving me a chance to introduce myself and speak today. My name is Alvi. I'm from Borishal, but right now I live at Mirpur in Dhaka for my study purpose. I'm a student of Rats English Care, but today is our farewell. So today is not an ordinary day. It is a very emotional and unforgettable day for us. I'm a proud student of Rats English Care. I came to know about this institution through Facebook, and that one small step changed my life forever. When I first came here, I could not express my thoughts properly in English. But Ras English Care believed in me when I did not believe in myself. And their teachers are very amiable persons. They always supported us and never let us feel weak. So that's why I love them. And my most favorite and respected teachers are Mr. Saddam sir, Shopon sir, Rahat sir, and also our mentor Ismail sir. They all are renowned expert in the field of English. Rahat sir is a well-known mentor in our Bangladesh. Millions of students follow him for his easy teaching style. Today we are saying farewell, but this is not the end. This is our beginning of new journey. And I will miss my all teachers, friends, and every moment of Rahat's English Care. Finally, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart, and thank you listening to me for your patience. Assalamu alaikum.